This 2027 Renegade RV Verona 40 VTB is a Super C RV. It is located in Norcross, Georgia, 30071 and is offered for sale by Southland RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Renegade RV is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features a Dune interior, sleeps 9, Slideout, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features Bunk Over Cab, Bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2027 Renegade RV Verona 40 VTB is built on a Freightliner M2-106 Plus chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.